The trial of Michelle Troconis is nearing its end, and over the last couple of weeks, the jury has heard from dozens of witnesses and seen mountains of evidence. So what happens next as we enter the final few weeks? Its Eva Zamaris has been covering this case the past 4.5 years, and now the trial, and breaks it down for us tonight.
It's been more than 1 month since the trial of Michelle Troconis began. Over these last 5 weeks, the state's presented its case, but soon it will be up to her defense team to do the same.
The defendant shall have the right to cross-examine, bring in their own witnesses, subpoena witnesses, and have counsel for their defense.
As we've learned through court, memory will be a significant component of the defense, focusing on what Troconis knew or remembered from the time Jennifer Farber Dulos went missing on May 24th, 2019.
If this is just a matter of slipped memory and not willful failure to disclose information, that's a substantial slice of the defense.
During her trial on Friday, Troconis' defense attorney John Schoenhorn said he's planning to call 2 professors as expert witnesses to speak about how things like sleep deprivation, stress, and speaking more than one language can have an impact. Investigators believe there were inconsistencies in her interviews with the police as she recalled what happened on and around that day.
Everything this has been very shocking to me. Okay?
I understand that.
And when we spoke 2 months ago, I was completely in shock. I've been really working hard with family to try to to figure out and bring my memory back.
Here's a look at what will happen next. The state's expected to rest on Tuesday, followed by motions in the defense's case on Wednesday. Schoenhorn expects they'll wrap their defense by Monday. We spoke with former prosecutor Ryan McGuigan about this final push.
And they won't be able to say what was in Ms. Troconis' mind. They'll just be able to say that generally with any normal human being, any reasonable person, it's reasonable that you could have forgotten certain things. It's reasonable that you could have, if English is not your first language, that you could have been tripped up by the police.
Troconis has been charged with conspiracy to commit murder, tampering with evidence, and hindering prosecution in connection to the death and disappearance of Farber Dulos. But she's denied any involvement or knowledge from the start. The big question remains, will Troconis testify? Her defense team hasn't said, but her attorney has said previously. Her interviews where she maintains that she didn't know anything speak for themselves. Eva Zamaris, News 8.